Last week, the parliament saw a walkout by the members of the opposition. The reason was a new law on nuclear energy. Amid heated debate, the Sustainable Harnessing of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India Bill, or the SHANTI Bill, was passed on December 16th. And with President Draupadi Murmu granting her assent, the SHANTI Bill has now become law. What does the SHANTI Act do? It allows private companies and joint ventures to build, own, operate, and even decommission nuclear power plants. As Shashi Tharoor wrote, it's a free-for-all. They will just need a license from the government. The government says this is necessary if India wants to meet its goal of generating 100 gigawatts of nuclear power by 2047. That may sound logical on paper, but the problem is how far the law goes to cushion these companies. A major change the new law brings is on who can take legal action in the event of a nuclear offence. Under this law, criminal complaints can only be filed by officials authorized by the Union Government or the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. Affected communities, civil society groups, and even state governments cannot directly approach courts. Those affected can only make claims for financial compensation. But there are limits set for this. It depends on the type of facility and the reactor's thermal power. Again, prioritizing profits for private companies. It also has a liability cap. The maximum that companies have to cough up is Rs 3,000 crore in case of a disaster. The maximum. That's literally peanuts. After the Chernobyl and Fukushima disasters, billions of dollars were spent. Another concern is transparency. The law allows the government to censor certain information, placing it beyond the citizens' right to information. But how can private companies be held accountable if information about their activities is not made available to the public? Environmental activists have flagged additional risks, including displacement of marginalized communities, ecological damage, and long-term health impacts from radiation exposure. That leaves us with some important questions. As India expands its nuclear capacity, how will accountability be ensured? And should we let private players enter a sector where failures can have lasting consequences?